Welcome! In this video, we will show how to install an OpenPages Fix Pack using the OpenPages installer. We will discuss the prerequisites for installing Fix Packs and how to install a Fix Pack. Before installing a new Fix Pack, you must make sure that your installer has been upgraded to the latest version, or else it may not be able to install the Fix Pack. In the Fix Pack media, you will usually find two zip files related to the OpenPages installer. The zip labeled OpenPages installer will contain the minimum installer update required to install the Fix Pack, so you should make sure your installer has been upgraded to that version or higher. For more information on how to upgrade the installer, refer to the product documentation and other videos. The other zip, labeled OpenPages Fix Pack, contains the OpenPages Fix Pack content. This is the zip we'll focus on in this video. The first step is to make the Fix Pack available in the installation server. To do this, we copy the Fix Pack zip into our installation server directory under the folder Source, Assets, Maintenance. This makes the Fix Pack available to all deployments managed by the installation server. Next, log into the installation app and select the deployment where you want to install the Fix Pack. The deployment I've selected currently has OpenPages 7.4 installed, and now I want to install the 8.0.1 Fix Pack. To select that Fix Pack, I select the Fix Pack task from the drop-down. If there are multiple Fix Packs available to install, you can select the version you want to install from the version drop-down. In this case, only the 8.0.1 Fix Pack is available. If the Fix Pack task or a particular version does not appear, then it likely means that the Fix Pack version is not currently applicable to your version of OpenPages. For example, if you haven't installed OpenPages yet, then the Fix Pack task will not appear until you've completed a fresh install. Another example would be if your deployment has a certain Fix Pack already installed, in which case previous Fix Pack versions will not appear for you to install. After selecting the Fix Pack task, review your deployment's properties, including passwords, to ensure they are still correct. One particular property to be aware of is the install database property. Recall that in the fresh install, the installer allows you to perform the DBA install actions manually by selecting the only non-DBA option, and the installer will perform the non-DBA actions without requiring DBA credentials. However, in the Fix Pack install, the only non-DBA option is treated the same as the already installed option, meaning that if you select that option, then you will be required to run all of the database upgrade scripts manually prior to installing the Fix Pack. Otherwise, the installer can run the database upgrade steps for you if you select the full database option and provide DBA credentials. Another thing to be aware of is that all servers in the deployment should be started prior to installing the Fix Pack, except for the global search services, which must be stopped. Once you are ready to begin the Fix Pack install, click Validate. From here, the process for installing the Fix Pack is the same as all other install tasks. If there are no validation issues, then the Install button becomes enabled, and the next step is to click it. Similarly, once the install phase completes, the Configure button will become enabled and should be clicked. Once the configure phase is complete, the OpenPages Fix Pack has been successfully installed in your deployment, as we can see if we navigate to the OpenPages application. From here, you are once again free to change the tasks in the installer. The Fix Pack task does remain available in case you wish to reinstall the same Fix Pack or a later one, but you can also just change the task to current deployment if you are done. This concludes our video. In this video, we have shown how to use the OpenPages installer to install a fix pack. We hope you found this video helpful, and we invite you to follow along with some of our other videos.